Welcome to my channel. Travel guide. Is the Airbus A390 coming? Here's what we know. Is Airbus planning to build the A390? In this video, we explore the possibilities of a next-generation wide-body aircraft from Airbus. Could it be the successor to the A380 or an advanced rival to Boeing's 777X? We break down rumors, expert predictions, and what the future might hold for long-haul aviation. 1. No official confirmation. As of July 2025, Airbus has not officially announced plans for an A390. Speculation persists due to gaps in Airbus's naming sequence: A360, A370, A390, and the competitive landscape with Boeing's 777X and rumored 797. Industry sources, including Simple Flying, note Airbus's focus on existing models like the A320neo and A350, alongside sustainability initiatives like the ZEROe hydrogen project, suggesting a new widebody like the A390 is not an immediate priority. 2. Market demand dynamics. The A380's limited success highlighted the risks of ultra-large aircraft. Airlines prefer fuel-efficient twin-engine widebodies for long-haul routes, like the A350 or Boeing 787. An A390 would likely target the midsize market, 250 to 400 passengers, replacing aging Boeing 757-767 fleets or competing with Boeing 777X. Demand for a high-capacity, long-range aircraft exists, particularly with Middle Eastern carriers like Emirates, but Airbus requires at least 400 orders to justify development costs. 3. Economic and development costs. Developing a new aircraft like the A390 could cost $15–20 billion, a significant hurdle given the A380's financial struggles. Airbus would need strong order commitments to ensure profitability, as seen with the A380's break-even challenges at low production rates. Stretching the A350, e.g., A350-2000, is a cheaper alternative, costing around $2 billion, making it more likely than a clean-sheet A390 design. 4. Technological requirements. An A390 would need next-generation engines, lightweight composites, and advanced aerodynamics to meet stringent emissions regulations. Airbus's ZEROe initiative, targeting zero-emission aircraft by 2035, focuses on hydrogen combustion and fuel cells, which could be integrated into an A390. Compatibility with 100% sustainable aviation fuel, SAF, and innovations like open-rotor engines are also under consideration, aligning with industry sustainability goals. 5. Not a double or triple-decker. Early rumors of an A390 as a triple-decker or a twin-engine A380 variant have been debunked. The A380's high operating costs and limited airport compatibility make a similar design unlikely. Instead, an A390 would likely be a twin-engine widebody, optimized for efficiency and range, 10,000+ nautical miles, possibly resembling a stretched A350 or a new midsize design. 6. Competition with Boeing. Boeing's 777X and potential 797, new midsize airplane, could prompt Airbus to develop an A390 to capture the middle of the market segment. The 797, if launched, would bridge Boeing's 737 and 787, offering 200 to 270 seats and 5,000 to 6,000 nautical miles of range. An A390 could counter this with similar capacity, but superior efficiency, leveraging Airbus's experience with the A321XLR and A350. 7. Focus on sustainability. Airbus's strategic priority is sustainability, with the ZEROe program aiming for hydrogen-powered aircraft by 2035. An A390, if developed, would likely incorporate these technologies to reduce emissions by 30 to 50% compared to current widebodies. This aligns with airline demands for greener fleets, especially as older A330s and Boeing 777s retire by the mid-2030s. 8. Timing and market fit. If launched, an A390 wouldn't enter service until the late 2030s, aligning with Airbus's timeline for next-generation aircraft. The A350-2000 or a new narrow-body, potentially A360, is prioritized for the mid-2030s, suggesting Airbus may reserve the A390 name for a future widebody. The aging 757-767 market and rising passenger numbers, expected to double by 2036, could justify its development. 9. Airline interest. Reports suggest interest from carriers like Emirates, British Airways, and Delta for a high-capacity, fuel-efficient widebody carrying 500-plus passengers over 10,000 nautical miles. Verbal assurances of 200 orders, particularly from Middle Eastern airlines, could push Airbus toward an A390, though skeptics cite the A380's low sales as a cautionary tale. Emirates' demand for large aircraft could be a deciding factor. 10. Strategic alternatives. Airbus may opt for incremental upgrades to the A350 or A330neo instead of a costly A390. A stretched A350-2000 could match the 777X's 410 passenger capacity at a lower cost. Airbus's focus on a next-generation narrowbody, A360, for 2035, featuring open fan engines and foldable wings, suggests resources are tied up, making an A390 less likely before 2040. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.